It is everything because it is nothing. It is the place within the place, filled with quiet contemplation. Again, the void that knows no sound. How you got there is a mystery. How you can escape from it is equally a mystery. You don't know when you arrived, and you're desperate to find out when this is going to end. And yet, it is the product of your own making. That's the most curious part about this. Hell, on one level or another, I suppose it could be called hell. You are absolutely devoid of any spiritual contact with God. You are surrounded by quiet desperation that knows no end, and you are constantly tormented by the actions of your own being. And now you don't know when, if ever, this is going to end. Might that describe an atheist? In my book it would. No place to go and all day to get there. Yes, sir. With nothing waiting for you at the end but darkness. Again, the void that knows no sound. Would that be an adequate description of death? Spiritual death, to be sure. Endless spiritual death. And there you are, not because of yourself alone, but in spite of yourself, a continuing condition of quiet contempt. And then it dawns on you. This is the place you were looking for. This is the place that's devoid of any hope, of any light, of any blessing. It is the victim of the moment, and the victim of the moment is you. Again, the void that knows no sound, the place within the place. It's everywhere because it is nowhere at the same moment in time. And you, well, you still have a chance. There is still the opportunity for you to accept and believe that Jesus Christ is your Lord and Savior. Before it's too late, become one of Jesus Christ's own. Otherwise, you are going to firmly be on the path to the void that knows no sound, the place within the place, because it is no place. Accept and believe that Jesus Christ is your Lord and Savior, while you still can. Avoid the inequity of the void that knows no sound. Until next time, this is Stephen. Talk to you when the wind shifts. See ya. Bye.